Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use this extension, this Chrome extensions called GR YouTube Trend Hunter. If you want to grow your YouTube channel in this year, 2026, you have to hunt or search for something trend. So this GR YouTube Trend Hunter is a powerful Chrome extension that will helpful for you to find high potential videos that are outperforming their channel size. So in here, I've already opened the Chrome Web Store and you can see the overview of the extension. So this extension will analyze the view count, subscriber count, the upload date, and the growth speed. And also the live stream status. And if you are a YouTube creator, content strategist, digital marketers, or trend hunters, then this extension is for you. So this will be very helpful for you. And if you want to use it, first you need to add it into your Chrome. So you can just click on add to Chrome. Here I've already added it to my Chrome. And after that, you can just here open YouTube. So you can browse YouTube. You can open your home page or maybe a competitor's channel, and the data overlays will appear automatically like this. Like this one, this fires right here is like the trend score. This is the upload date, and this one is the subscriber count. So in here, you need to look for high scores. Let's just scroll down in here. Okay, maybe that's not, but this one is short. So you need to find like the one with high score like this, for example, but it has low subscriber count. So it, as you guys can see, it only has 23,000 subscriber, but it has high trend score. And if you want to analyze it more, here you can just open any video on your YouTube, and after that you can just click on the extension, this one, and this will appear like this. There are 55 videos captured from my homepage, and if you want to see it more details, you can just click on Generate Analytics Reports, and in here you'll see this list. So these are the list of videos on my homepage before. This one with high scores in here. The highest one on my homepage is 4.1, the one that I showed you before. And the views is 751,000 with only 23,000 subscribers. So you guys can see. But if you want to search a specific title or specific topic, you can just search for it in here. For example, I'm going to find something about Roblox. Okay, so as you guys can see, the type of the video is short and the duration is only 3 minutes. The view is 2 million views, and it only has 10,000 subscribers. So it is very impactful. It's very high, and the trend score is 2.8, and it is about an admin event, I think, in a Roblox game. So if you want to make a topic about this, maybe you have higher chance to have more views like this video. So it will be helpful for you as maybe a video creator, a content creator, to use this this extension. So I think that's it. If you want to have this extension, I will put the link on my description box below and also in a pinned comment, so you can just click on it and add it to your Chrome. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.